I'm going to be showing you how to create an Apple ID on Safari. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So create an Apple ID using in Safari, you just need to go to the Apple ID website. So in order to go there, you need to open your Safari first. And now just type in Apple ID, id.apple.com. Wait for it to load and you should see something like this. Once you're here, just tap on this option at the top right corner and you should see something like sign in and create your Apple account. Just go ahead and tap on create your Apple account and now write down your first name and your last name and select your country or region. And now write down your date of birth, the month, and the year. And now you just need to write down your name, use @ and Gmail or Hotmail or whatever mail you want, .com. Make sure you enter a valid email address. And now you need to create your password. So you have the password requirements at the top. It says that it should be at least 8 characters and at least one number, one uppercase letter and one lowercase letter, and at least one special character. So make sure you include all of them and confirm your password. And now just write down your phone number. Make sure you write down a valid phone number. So you can choose whether you want to be verified using text message or phone call. So these are the marketing email options, whether you want them, whether you want to receive them or not. Now you need to type the characters in the image. These are the verifications. And now all you need to do is tap on continue and your Apple account would be verified and you'd successfully be able to create an Apple ID on Safari. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.